Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm out at the cabin today. I wanted to shoot a little video and talk about this stock. I put this replacement stock on my inline muzzle loader. Now this is a Savage ML2, and I bought it about 10 years ago, probably 2010. And it had a plastic stock. It came with a plastic stock. Well, being obviously it's got a bull barrel. You can see it's the heavy duty, heavy duty system that they had. And it's nose heavy, and then with the plastic stock it made it very nose heavy. So of course when you had it up, it was hard to carry, and it would put on your back and it would slip around and all this, and it's still kind of heavy in the front, but the wood stock has made a huge difference that way. So I looked around. I had bought a Boyd stock once before, and I had bought it for another Savage, a little like a varmint rifle, a 223, and it was a very nice stock, custom, fit. That one I had a little bit more fitting, sanding issues and stuff, and I got it to work fine, but it took a little more effort. I was surprised that this one, practically it dropped in. I had to egg out a little hole or whatever, and then do some sanding internally, but I mean, I don't think I have 2 hours in it. And it came pretty much just the way it looks. I mean, I got it. This is what they call their satin finish, if I remember right. And then I had a engraving put on it to decorate it up a little bit. And you can get any style. This I think is that they call the Woodland Hunter style or something like that, with the pattern green, gray, brown. It almost looks camouflage, but not really, of course. But yeah, it was pretty reasonably priced too. I was looking on the website this morning, and basically the same stock right now with shipping I could get for about $200, and it might have been a little cheaper because it was a couple years ago, but I don't remember. It wasn't bad at all. A poly stock is $150 if you buy, for a SKS or something. So a decent one, But at any rate, this has been a pleasant build, and it's been a good rifle. It still shoots straight. I had a couple comments people asked about custom stocks, and I'm no expert. I mean, like I said, this is actually only the second rifle I've ever done that way. And these Savage rifles are, I don't want to call them cheap. I rather like them in the bolt actions because I think they're price competitive, and for the quality you're getting a lot for the amount of money that you have to spend. And then like I said, then I don't buy a $400 rifle and put a $2,000 scope on it either. I just got some Nikon glass on here, and it works great. And then with this stock, it actually looks a lot fancier probably than it is, because like I said, it's not an expensive rifle, but it shoots really well, and I've shot a couple deer with it, and so that's pretty much what I got to say about it. Go to Boyd's website. They've been in business since 1981. They basically have stocks for almost any rifle you could think of, or at least any rifle I can think of. So I'm always happy to see that when you have a company like that. And when I ordered this, it was 2 weeks. I mean, it came really fast. So, and the shipping was reasonable. And this morning, like I said, I looked it up. It's a couple $100. So, if you got an old rifle, you want to dress it up, or if you got, especially if you buy like I said, if you buy a cost competitive, like rifle package, rifle action, plastic stock and scope, and you want to make it look better, you want to make it feel better when you shoot it, you want to make it feel like a real rifle. And that's the problem with the plastic ones, to me. I guess I'm a wood guy. Plastic definitely has its advantages. I mean, they're durable, they're lightweight, they'll never break. You can't damage them, and if you do, it doesn't matter. It's not like a quality wood stock. You have to be a little careful with it, or you should be, and it will get dinged up no matter how careful you are. But if you want to take a cheap rifle and make it look fancy, I guess this is how you do it. So, and I would recommend it. So Anyway, I'll put a link in the description and a link at the end of the video, and you can take a look at my old video. And good luck with any rifle projects in the future, and stay tuned for more cabin videos. I appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next one.